Hey, so you want to write a screenplay, but you don't know where to start. No. Hey, it's okay. Shh. Don't be so hard on yourself. Let's just start with the basics. The first thing you're going to want to have is a piece of paper or a computer or an iPad or something to write down some ideas. Just anything that pops into your head, write it down. Even if it's stupid, just write it down anyway, because it might spark some other ideas. If you already have an idea floating around in your head, then you can skip this, but this can also help with scene ideas too. Next, once you have that great idea of yours, you'll want to create a 1 to 2 sentence summary of your script. This is called a logline. This can help you sell the script, and it can help you understand your story as a whole. A good logline must have these 4 elements: protagonist, plus inciting incident, plus protagonist's goal, plus central conflict. Here are some examples that can help you craft yours. Minnesota car salesman Jerry Lundegaard's inept crime falls apart due to his and his henchmen's bungling and persistent police work of the quite pregnant Marge Gunderson. A family determined to get their young daughter into the finals of a beauty pageant take a cross-country trip in their VW bus. In 2002, an artistically inclined 16-year-old girl comes of age in Sacramento, California. Okay, so the next thing you should understand before writing your screenplay is plot structure. Even if you don't plan on using one, you should still learn the 3-act structure. Plot structure refers to the patterns and the events of a story form. Even if you think that you'll never use it, it can help you build your story and can get you ahead of the game. After that, you'll want to start outlining your film. Crafting a good outline can give you a solid plan for where your story is going. I rarely outline. Most of the time, I like to be in the moment with my script and find the story as it pops into my head. I write some things down, but I try not to write every scene because it just really doesn't work for me. Everyone's different, so I will definitely put some examples of outlines down below if you want to use them. Okay, before we continue, I know this video is about helping you write a screenplay, but if you want to skip the entire writing process and move on to the filming of your film, you can send your idea over to me on Fiverr. If you click the link below, you can choose from different options depending on how long you want your movie to be, and then I will write you a fantastic script that I'm sure you'll be happy with. All the prices are on the website, and again, the link is in the description down below. Thank you. The next thing you'll want to accomplish is writing your screenplay's first draft. Don't get discouraged if you feel like your script is a hot piece of garbage after writing it. While writing it, however, don't correct your writing. Don't look back at your script. Finish it. I recommend reading a few screenplays before this step. You don't have to, but it can really help you learn how to format your script. After writing your script, take a break, work on other things, watch a movie, then come back to it in a few weeks or even a month and read it again all the way through. Then you have to write it again. How many drafts of a screenplay differ from person to person, but I believe most professionals write 10 to 20 drafts. I wouldn't recommend getting feedback from your script until after you write your second or third draft, because your first draft will be sort of awful. But if you do want feedback, then get it from professionals. And a lot of people don't say let your family read it, but I think letting your family member read it is also fine if you really don't know anybody else, like me. Just take every note and see if it works for you and your script. You don't have to make changes just because people tell you you should. That's pretty much all you need to know to write a screenplay. If you have any more questions about how to write a screenplay, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Bye.